Hi guys, welcome to healthspectra.com. 7 ways to use coconut oil for burns. Coconut oil has amazing benefits for our skin. From deep moisturization to skin repairing, the oil has been in practice for over years now. But, is it useful for treating burns? First-degree or mild burns can effectively be treated using coconut oil. The combination of antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties contributes to making the healing process faster. Burns can affect one's quality of life. The stinging pain along with the discomfort is more or less the reason why reaching out for coconut oil is actually a good enough option. Wondering how to use coconut oil to heal the burn? We definitely have some amazing remedies up our sleeves for you to look into. Coconut oil by itself. Coconut oil has amazing moisturizing and antimicrobial properties, which not just heals and repairs the skin, but prevents infection as well. Coconut oil and apple cider vinegar. The combination of coconut oil and apple cider vinegar is actually quite beneficial in healing the skin and in preventing any kind of budding infection from within. Apple cider vinegar is best for sunburns. Coconut oil and aloe vera. Aloe vera helps in soothing the stinging pain and irritation and moisturizes the burnt area, while coconut oil further ensures to keep the infection at bay. Coconut oil and lavender oil. The lavender oil is known for imposing soothing impacts on the burnt skin, and mixed with the coconut oil, it helps in repairing the burnt skin and healing it from within. Coconut oil and turmeric. Turmeric has beneficial antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which help in soothing and healing the burn quickly, while the coconut oil moisturizes and repairs the skin. Coconut oil and honey. The honey has beneficial antiviral and antibacterial properties which prevent infection at the site of the burn, and the coconut oil promotes the healing process. Coconut oil and camphor. Camphor imposes amazing soothing and pain-relieving properties which help in getting rid of the pain and irritation one feels because of the burn. Coconut oil further hastens the healing process. How many of these are you going to opt for during emergencies? Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.